guys, welcome. Today we have the WanHao Duplicator i3. So it's basically a Prusa i3 model. So I thought that we should pack it up together. So I haven't actually touched the box before. So I'm not sure if it's even intact, so let's just hope that it is. It should be. So this is the one sent from Creative Tools in Sweden. Here, amount of plastic. It's both plastic and wires and a cardboard box. Interesting. Interesting. And there's two good handles here in the box, so you can actually move it around. And let's see. I can actually see a serial number, I think. Yep, I have a serial number and everything here. That's good. So, I mean, save the box if you want to send it back for warranty or anything like that. That's always a good thing to save. Let's see, exciting. Ooh, Oh, I can see, you can't see. No, it's just white packaging for now. And inside of here we have another package. Looks like, could it be upside down? Nah. I'm gonna tear this packaging open. Sorry about the angle. I don't have a taller tripod. So you can see, I'm just gonna try to open this one. Tape. That's always good. Yeah, I know, I'm kind of ruthless with the knife, but so far I haven't destroyed anything. Here, packaging. Interesting. We have a box. Sounds like it's tool in that one. Let me just show you here how it looks like. And then we have some more packaging. Interesting. We have a build plate. And we have the machine itself, and I guess this is the power supply. Yes it is. I can actually remove more packaging. And we have a power supply, so I'm guessing that I have to, let's just see here, this wire, I think. I'm not completely sure on what I'm doing, but I guess I'm all right. Okay, so you have this part here is actually the Z-axis. No, it's not. I'm just kidding. It's one of the parts. It's connected by some wires. So I'm actually not sure on how to remove this from the box. I did not see any instructions, so let's just take it slowly. I think I'm gonna put this down so I can lift up everything to the table. Let's see. There we go. So I'm just taking the whole package up here. Now, that's all in the box. There's just two build plates here, so I'm gonna put those over here. And as you can see, it's an empty box. So there we go. Now everything makes more sense. Let's just move some more here. There we go. And now, what do? We probably move these things. Let's see. Now we can move the power supply back here. You can see the wire here connecting the two parts. It's a pretty beefy power supply actually. And then what else do we have? We have a wall here that we can probably remove. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the base of the machine. Since we have the base of the machine there. More packaging. And here you can see now, okay, you can't see it yet, but in a second. So, packaging and packaging. There we go. filament included. Not much, but it's something. So we have here now a machine. So it's, I would say assemble, but as you can see, it's not really assemble, but it's probably just two screws here, and you should be okay. Let's just lift this up carefully, and there we go. So we have the plate here, which I'm guessing should go like that. It's actually not clear which side it should go on, but I'm gonna guess this side, because hey, why not? So it goes through here. First of all, let's just put this kind of together here. I don't know if you can see, but we have the Creative Tools the certification. So we've actually started up this machine. You can see the packaging is still there. We checked that everything's basically here. I'm gonna take the knife, which I hid somewhere, and let's maybe not use a knife. We'll just cut this thing open here. Here we go. And I did not crack any wires, so that's good. That's always good. And there we go. Now we can assemble this, which in theory should be like this. You're probably thinking, well, we should read a manual, and I'm starting to think the same. Maybe I shouldn't just try things and maybe read a manual for once, but nah, that's not me. So there's not totally clear on how to do with the wires, because you can see that the cables here are in order. There's mounts here for the screws, so I'm guessing this is correct, but the wires here are not really properly. There we go. And I just want to align the screws here, something like that. That should be good. But just for good measures, let's try to let's arrange this. Hey, another box. So in this box we have SD card, so memory card. We have a USB cable, that's great. We have a power cord, which is great. And we have a 3D benchy, which is also printed, of course, with the machine. Looks really good. I'm not sure if you can see that well. We'll have a close-up of that. Screws to assemble the last part, I guess. A pallet to remove the parts. A filament spool holder, which I'm not sure where it goes. But that's good. That's really good. It goes on this one. So this is the last part in the box. So, okay, I get it. This will assemble up here. Like so. If you ever had a Duplicator or WanHao printer before, you would recognize this part here. I'm guessing this goes like that. And using this handy dandy toolbox, I'll just screw it together. It's a good thing that you can accelerate movies, because then you don't have to see this part. I'm just gonna screw in one so it stands by itself. I'm doing this without even looking at any kind of manual with it, which is maybe not the best, but it's one way of doing it. Here's the 4 screws for the attaching the bed part to the Z parts. Just move this around so you can get a better view. So the screws are in here, basically. Just 4 screws, 2 on each side. And there we go. We also have wires here for the motors on each side. Hopefully I can get you a close-up of that as well. What else is there? On this side we have here we have wires for the motors here and motors here. So we actually need to declip one of those. We didn't put the tools. Here we go. That's perfect. So yes, one of these goes to this motor, and this one goes to this motor. And this one actually has a black connector that goes here as well, so you get everything in one slot. That's great. Everything's connected on that side. And on this side we also have one of these motor cables, just one, so that's easy. Now we have the screws, which I really want to get aligned good here. There's one screw from this side and then one from the other side. Now where's those tools that I had? You can have the Allen key here ready. Let's just screw it in by hand for now. It actually looks like there's some transport damage here, but I'm not sure. I think that the axis here has been slightly deformed. This line here should be more straight, but I'm not sure. This can move quite well, so I'm not sure if there's actually any issues. Maybe it's design, I don't know. Maybe it's just a feature. It's not a bug, it's a feature. So let's see, I'm having issues here connecting this by hand. Let's see what else are there. Okay, yeah, okay. Like so. Yeah, everything looks to be working as it should. There's also some tape on this connector here on the end stop so it doesn't damage during shipping. But hey, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna assemble this and then we'll have another look at it. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon.